Hello and welcome to April 30th, the last day of the trimester. Alpha's T at 43%. Let's go look at that chart. And there it is, 43%. You only went up 1 point from yesterday. Yes, this was at 42. Now we're at 43. And we are in the rule number 5 exit, less than 60 days to expiration. Dipper low because this is a call. And we look with this. We got a low. But we don't know if that's a dipper low yet. Until we get a confirmation on the right side that will be higher on come Monday, then we'll have a dipper low. We'll have a higher dipper low, and that means we'll go to move to stop here upon getting that other one there. And that's the way it's going to play until either this trade gets stopped out or we go to last bar low come May. What is the May expiration? This is a June to May 18th. May 18th, we go to at the end of the day, we go to last bar low because we'll be in the last 30 days of the option. All right. With that said, let's go on to our second. Now, second place is in a horse race. Capri and RTX are in a horse race there. So let's go on to see what Capri has to say. And Capri is here. Capri has an August expiration date. And go ahead and do that. Okay. And we are still in the first ratio setup. We have not closed above our third ratio. We need that close above that third ratio before we can initiate the dipper low, which would be about maybe here. No, it would be here, right there. As soon as we can close that third ratio, we'll be able to move the stop right there to the dipper low. Or if it happens, and we get to June, we get to middle June, and this option is still in play, then we'll be going to we'll be to a dipper low halt come June 20th. June 20th. All right. So now that takes us to RTX, and RTX is running where? Okay, RTX is there we go. RTX is not yet. There's our third ratio right there. There's our third ratio. So we are very close to getting that close above the third ratio. When we get close above the third ratio, we anticipate to have a higher low here on the right side because we got the low here. We got the higher low here. We got a lower low here. We're waiting that third confirmation, and then we'll go to the last bar. We'll go to dipper low. That's why we'll go to dipper low here, and the expiration is on like this. We have a lot of August. August is going to be very busy, so we're anticipating 5 of these to start looking toward getting exited. And that will be, remember, so the lesson today is watching your expiration date. Extremely important. Many people will here's another thing too. If you're in the money and you are called in the money and you do not close your option by the end of today or by the end of the Friday, preferably they recommend close it on Thursday, but close it on Friday for sure, or you get assigned. And that means that you'll be then assigned you'll be assigned 100 shares of the strike price. So, for example, if this was in the money, if RTX was in the money and our strike price is, I don't remember what our strike price is. Oh, strike price is right here. Our strike price is 80. So if we hit $80, which we already are in, we will be assigned 100 shares at $80, which would come out to $8,000. But then you have approximately, it depends on the company. Thinkorswim is a little bit more lenient than other companies. They give you 72 hours to come up with the money. So you can see this account doesn't have no $8,000, but we get assigned. You get assigned 100 shares at $80. This account will need to come up with $8,000 to cover those shares. Now, what happens next is very simple. Sell them. If you're in the money, here, we hit $84 and we get a sign, that's still money to you because here, it's going to cost you $8,000. But if it closes at 84, make that a minus, and if it closes at 84, you're $400 ahead. Sell it, pay the commission, and pick up $400. So that's what will happen. So you will lose out on your option, unfortunately, but you do get your $400 back. Or do you? I don't know. I've only been assigned once in my trading field. I was assigned GLD, gold, and it was $30-something thousand, $33,000. And of course, I didn't have no $33,000 in that account. And I think it was the Alpha account that happened to know it was in TradeStation. So the end result was I turned around and sold them. Just went up, boom, sell it. And I sold it, and we got made a little bit of a profit on that sell. Good question. I'm going to have to ask my instructor over the weekend at OTA. If you get a sign, do you still collect the money off the premium for the option? Good point. See, I don't know everything yet. I'm still on this trail of learning myself, but we are ahead. Okay, let's go on now. We have our put, which is nice counterbalance, ATVI. ATVI is a put, and we are looking for the opportunity to get to the third ratio right here at 89. So we closed today at 91.19. We want to get to 89. This is 76 cents. That's right. 76 cents plus 19 makes it 85. $95. We're $1.95 short of crossing that 29.24, and the ATR is $2. So we are in ballpark to get down here and get that 89, cross that 89.24, and then get this put to start paying off and balancing. All right, that takes us down to our CVS is at 24, which is not kind of nice. Again, it's all well and good because the fact is that this account is now definitely locking in profit for the year. We're already only at the first trimester, and we are about $1,100 profit, and we'll close out that in that discussion. So we are still there's a third ratio, which is way up here. I think it's $80, if I'm not mistaken. It's $80. That's an $80 marker right there, and but it's a nice slow grinding up. It's a little bit slow, but it's up there. The bottom line is we stick to the rules. Once the rules are set, you set it. All right. Now AIU got into profit zone. What a little seesaw! This guy is like up down, up down. He just cannot make a decision. And look, this is really strange. Yesterday, this closed at 1% minus. I remember putting it into the minus column, and then today here it closed down and it picked up 4%. So I don't understand this was the world of options on this point. I have to be honest with you on that. What I don't understand, I don't know. All I can do is I trade my system, trade my plan, watch my instrument panel, and collect profit or take losses when they occur. With that said, let's conclude today. Yeah, there we are at 66.36 for the for the trimester. So 66.36 minus 55.33, which was our benchmark. Oops, did that wrong. 66.36 minus 55.33. Divide that by the 55.33 as a percentage, and we come out to 19.9, and we ended up with, against the SPY, at 12.6. And with that, we'll conclude today's report that Alpha Stochastics at 19.9% versus the SPY at 12.6. Let me go and check that number again. Make sure I did it right. I did it. Okay, that is it for this weekend. Enjoy. Bye-bye.